Answer what and when questions.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is John. My name is John. My name is John.
What country are you from? What country are you from? What country are you from?
I am from Myanmar. I am from Myanmar. I am from Myanmar.
What language do you speak? What language do you speak? What language do you speak?
I speak Burmese. I speak Burmese. I speak Burmese.
What year did you arrive in Australia? What year did you arrive in Australia? What year did you arrive in Australia?
I arrived in Australia in 2018. I arrived in Australia in 2018. I arrived in Australia in 2018.
What do you study on this campus? What do you study on this campus? What do you study on this campus?
I study English here. I study English here. I study English here.
What's your job? What's your job? What's your job?
I am a chef. I am a chef. I am a chef.
What suburb do you live in? What suburb do you live in? What suburb do you live in?
I live in Elizabeth. I live in Elizabeth. I live in Elizabeth.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. I like reading books. I like reading books.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
1st of January 1988. 1st of January 1988. 1st of January 1988.
When do you get up? When do you get up? When do you get up?
I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I usually get up at 7 o'clock.
When do you go home? When do you go home? When do you go home?
I normally go home at 5 o'clock. I normally go home at 5 o'clock. I normally go home at 5 o'clock.
When do you go to your English class? When do you go to your English class? When do you go to your English class?
I go to the class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I go to the class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I go to the class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
When are you going to do your homework? When are you going to do your homework? When are you going to do your homework?
I will do it now. I will do it now. I will do it now.
When is the wedding? When is the wedding? When is the wedding?
It's at 10 o'clock. It's at 10 o'clock. It's at 10 o'clock.
When do you open? When do you open? When do you open?
We open at 9 o'clock. We open at 9 o'clock. We open at 9 o'clock.
When will the bus come? When will the bus come? When will the bus come?
10 more minutes, I think. 10 more minutes, I think. 10 more minutes, I think.
When did you come to Sydney? When did you come to Sydney? When did you come to Sydney?
I came to Sydney 3 years ago. I came to Sydney 3 years ago. I came to Sydney 3 years ago.
When is your next appointment? When is your next appointment? When is your next appointment?
15th of February, Friday, at 4 o'clock. 15th of February, Friday, at 4 o'clock. 15th of February, Friday, at 4 o'clock.